Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Alaknanda by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Andheri West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can see the actual tower where the construction is in full swing and it is almost ready. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project has one tower of 7 levels of basement, ground plus 16 residential floors, having 3 BHK, 4 BHK Optima, 4 BHK luxury residences. Also, you have penthouse and premium duplex options available. Talking about the connectivity, this project is located off Gulmohar Road, Andheri West, from where Andheri railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes, DN Nagar Metro is at a distance of 5 minutes, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 10 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 5 minutes from the project. Talking about the amenities with swimming pool, gym, yoga and meditation zone, kids play area, multi-purpose court and many more amenities within the project. Now, talking about the configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK variants with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1458 and 1471 square feet, 4 BHK Optima in the carpet area of 1497 square feet and 4 BHK luxury in the carpet area of 1777 and 3782 square feet. Also again, you have penthouse and premium duplex available. And now, speaking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Alaknanda by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Andheri West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.